Rio. Hello my friends. I'm in the middle of nowhere, so to say. This is pathless forest, which is quite steep, but otherwise also the location of my, so to say, favorite waterfall. It's quite tricky to come here because there's no path. Oh look, this is the first time in my life that I see something so small. This must be less than 1 year old. But otherwise, if you fall here, that won't be good, so I have to be really careful not to slip. As you can see, it's autumn. That means that everything is really slippery. You see, this is, in my opinion, the most beautiful waterfall in Slovenia. I've seen more than 50 of them, and this is, in my opinion, the best. Just look at these proportions, and not just one. There's also the other one. I was batting here for 50 times. Just check on my YouTube channel. I was descending here with the rope. So yeah, amazing. I was batting here just 2 days ago, and today I must say this is much more water, because yesterday here was heavy rainfall. You see, what a nice area. Let's go under the waterfall. Woohoo! Unfortunately, I disturbed the current of the water flow. That's why my camera is completely wet, because of my body. You see, the resistance is so huge that I have, oh my god, I should have taken the waterproof suit with me. But this is the best massage, and I love to take here bath in winter, in summer, or in autumn. It's just really nice. And now let's go up there, back across this beautiful terrain, home. Till next time, see you, enjoy your life, and always remember the happiness in life is not what you can take, it's what you can create, learn, appreciate. Yeah!